Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Store apps acquiring license error and not downloading problem in Windows 10. Click Start Settings. Click Apps. Select Microsoft Store, click Advanced option. Turn on camera and microphone. Click Reset. Click Reset. Now open Microsoft Store. Click Get Updates. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.